It is most definitely a tough start for our crew down here at the boat ramp. These poor guys have been on this kayak for about 20 minutes. I think they've touched almost every single dock down here at the boat ramp, but just cannot seem to get it figured out. A tough day for this crew. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are over here at Boynton. And our crew looks like they're trying to work on... Oh, but speaking of struggles, jet skied down. My man, him and this chick were coming around on the jet ski, and they just rolled it. So he's going to try and get back on. This is a little bit of an older ski. These ones are always a little fun to watch people try and get back on because they like to roll pretty easily. And our girl's just leaving. She's like, nah, I'm good, bro. And I think she's just going to swim it back in and not even mess with it whatsoever. They were just circling around here at the ramp, though. Just going in circles. And I guess they were waiting for a vehicle to come down, maybe? But they waited just a little too long. And once again, our girl, I think she's going to swim it all the way back up to the ramp. I'm not sure why she chose to do that over just getting back on the ski. Maybe she thought this was the safer path. She's like, listen, I'm not getting back on with my guy because I'm going to wind up back in the water. Got a feeling this is not the first time she's been in the water today. Has to be careful, though. The ramp is super slick. And here she goes. She's going to do the walk of shame and walk herself up. Maybe I shouldn't call it the walk of shame. Once again, she chose to swim over there, which means in the back of her mind, she thought that was a better option than trying to get back on the jet ski with that guy. And my man spinning around in the no-wake zone here at the boat ramp. Got a feeling he might flip this one more time. I mean, I guess if he's just going to sit here and chill, he could go over there and maybe help these kayakers out and help them get out. But that might be a poor plan as well, because if we get them out into the open water, I'm not sure if we can get them back in. And welcome to the boating version of dumpster diving. Obviously somebody's dropped something in the water and our kid's looking for it. Now here I'll admit, at Boynton, the water is clearer than it probably looks in the video footage playback when you guys are watching this. Like when I'm down here at Boynton and I'm filming, a lot of times I'm actually filming from the water, in the water. And I can see everything that goes on around me. There'll be stingrays that'll swim up and things like that. And you can see pretty much everywhere except for like the deepest parts. In other words, it's pretty deep in the middle of this water here, and I can't see there. But like where he's at, where it's probably only a few foot deep, they actually can see the bottom of that ramp. So our guy's trying to find whatever they've dropped. I'm not sure if it's keys, a phone, or what. But whatever it is, it's important enough that they sent somebody in after it. Like I said, the old boating version of the dumpster dive. Whatever it is, our kid's struggling to get to it. And and he's heading back to the boat, tosses the mask in. I'm assuming he's calling it a day. I don't know if he couldn't see it or he just couldn't get to it, whatever it was. I mean, because the people on the dock are pointing down like, bro, it's right here. But sometimes, even at 5 or 6 foot, if that's how deep it is right there, I'm not 100% sure, it's tougher to get down there than you might think, unless you're a pretty strong diver. At 5 or 6 foot, that pressure really starts to get to you a little bit, unless you're just completely used to it. But if you're just somebody who likes to get out there and snorkel, you're not used to it, and it definitely becomes difficult, especially to stay down there. So he's handing the mask to somebody else on the dock. It looks like somebody else is going to give it a go. We've got a net. And here we go. Person number 2 in the drink. And they're giving it the full bore go. They were down for a while. It doesn't look like they came up with it. And up there we go, using the feet, trying to get the distance to get down there. And he still missed. Man, my guy is giving it max effort, that is for sure. And there's the cheer. Whatever it was, our guys found it. And here comes our crew in on approach on the dock, and you can tell the wind's ripping down here a little bit today, but fortunately it is coming right to left across your screen, so it should push them into the dock as long as they come in at the right angle. But it's always interesting, you can tell by the amount of toys they got on this boat that sometimes they'll have to work around some stuff, but at least they have it on the right side. So it is on the starboard side of the vessel, and they are coming in for a port side dock. We've got people on the port side ready on the lines, ladies ready to go at it. They get the easy step off. We've got a stern line and a bow line, and they look good. Our crew lands it first try. But you can tell by the flag, the wind is just ripping down here today. It's been giving some people some fits. But not this crew. Ladies handle it like champs. And everybody just bails on them, and they're left there stuck doing the lines. Ladies, look at the camera. They're stoked. High fives all around, and they're going to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.